Guys, this is how to clean the side skirt of your vehicle. What chemical we use it for side skirt to be to nice and clean and shiny. Okay, some tips for you, even it's dirty or not. Okay, guys, first thing to do is to clean and wipe it. Okay. Then we use a lacquer thinner. Okay, solvable. Okay, so put the lacquer thinner. You can put a wax. Okay. see is very shiny. Use a protectant, mother's long lasting starting protection. Okay, see the difference, shiny and wet look. Okay. So the other side again. So it's same thing. If I do this, yes, the other side is the same thing. Process. Clean first a soluble lacquer thinner to remove the dirt, the excess shiny. See the wet look of the vehicle. Like a new paint. So the process is the other side. It's same thing. Put lacquer thinner. Okay. Put a lacquer thinner. Careful of this because this is the dangerous. Okay. Okay. It's the same thing process. Put a lacquer thinner at the side and then use the mother's protection. Okay, it's dark now, so we need to brush. Okay, same thing. Okay guys, so that's it for now. Because it's too dark, so we cannot go the other side. You cannot see, we need the lights. So if you want this vlog for today, so click the button and the button lines and notification bell for upcoming videos and subscribe because to updated for new upcoming uploaded in my YouTube channel, the tips how to in general, how to tips to save your money, how to do this, how to do that without knowledge and experience. So I share to you all of this. Just you have to have knowledge. Okay, see you guys, and I hope you like this video for my YouTube channel. Just like, comments, and share, and click the notification bell and subscribe. That's the most important. Okay, see you guys for tonight.